I'm hungry. Hello everybody and welcome to my kitchen with my sous chef Pablo. Today I'm going to do something different because today I'm going to make some food for myself because I'm hungry and I want to eat, and I've been seeing this one meal, this one recipe on the internet like everywhere recently, and I've never had it before and I want to have it, and it is buttered noodles. If you follow Trisha paytas, you have definitely seen this before because I feel like she eats it at least twice a day.
I got all glammed up just to have some buttered noodles. Today I made my favorite buttered noodles. We are having buttered noodles on the veranda.
In a good way. Now I'm curious. Now I want to watch the video.
And she makes it look so delicious, even though it's just butter and noodles. It's just butter and noodles. I don't know if it's gonna be tasty, but everybody seems to love it, so I'm going to try it today. So yeah, today I'm going to make Trisha paytas' famous buttered noodles, even though the recipe is actually by Binging by Babish. So I'll leave his recipe in the description box down below. So yeah, let's make some food. Let's make some food. Is anyone else's cat allowed to go on the kitchen counter, or is Pablo just a very lucky kitty? I even gave him a little bed. Oh god, my kitchen really isn't up to code, I think. Hey Pablo, you like sitting on the kitchen counter?
I like sitting here.
You like it here?
Alone.
Oh, you pretty boy. I have my ingredients right here. Butter, noodles, and salt. So for the noodles, which is just spaghetti, I don't know why people call it noodles, but it's spaghetti, right? Anyways, I got the most expensive ones that I could find in the supermarket because apparently you need to have like very good quality spaghetti in order to make this tasty. So I got these ones, and I don't know if you can see it, but they are like very, can you see that? They're like very starchy. There's like white stuff on there.
That's what she said.
And apparently that means that it's good quality. So yeah, I got the white stuffed spaghetti. And for the butter, I have the Flower Farm 100% plant-based butter without any palm oil, which we stand. And the butter also had to be of like super good quality, but I eat plant-based, and this was the only plant-based butter without any palm oil that they sold in the supermarket. So I don't know if this is good quality, but it's the best one for the environment that I could find. So that is a good quality in my opinion. And then also salt. I don't know, it's just salt. Nothing really interesting to say about that, but okay. So let me boil some water. Wait. And then of course the pot that we're gonna put the pasta in. And Babish used a Dutch oven, which is of course something that I, as a Dutch person, own. The only thing is he used like a big one, so he didn't have to like cram the pasta in there. But I only have like a smaller one, so I mean, I'm just gonna use it anyways, but it's not gonna have the same effect as his. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Also, this is the first time that I'm ever using it, and I'm not sure if I have to like, I like rubber thingies on there. Should I keep that on there? I don't know. Look. I don't know if I have to keep it on there. Let me just take it off to be sure. Some water. For some reason it smells like bleach. I don't know, should be fine. Give my pasta. Oh my god, this pasta looks kind of sick. It definitely looks like it's better quality than I'm like used to. So I'm going to use about this much. Pablo, what do you think? Is this enough, Pablo?
How should I know?
No. No. You don't eat it.
Rude.
Oh my god. Ah! Oh no, I'm breaking the pasta. Oh wait, I also have to put salt in there. Wait, salt. A lot of salt. Because he used like so much salt in the video. I normally never use that much salt, but okay. And then set the timer for 12 minutes. Waiting for my pasta to be done. Waiting for my pasta to be done. I love how I'm like matching with my kitchen right now. I feel like the pasta is sticking to the bottom of the pot, which has literally never happened in my life before. So I don't know why it's happening on camera right now. Okay, so I almost have to drain the pasta, but before I'm going to do that, I have to get a half a cup of the water from the pot. Oh my god! Because we're gonna have to use this starchy water to emulsify the pasta. I don't know. I'm just gonna take some water, gonna put it aside. This is hot. This is hot. Gotta drain it. Okay. Then, for the moment of truth, we're gonna use some butter. He did not say how much butter you have to use. So I'm just gonna use how much I want to. This? Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna have a heart attack, but that's okay. And a little bit of the pasta water. And then we're going to emulsify the butter and the pasta. And Pablo, you better not try to eat my food.
I do as I please.
It's literally just spaghetti with butter. Okay, let's put it on a plate. Got a cute little bowl, which is actually made by my sister. Look how cool it is. She has her own company where she makes like ceramic plates and stuff and cups. Look, I also got a cute little espresso coffee cup. And she makes this by herself. How cool is this? I will leave the link to her website in the description box down below so you can check it out because she makes amazing stuff, okay? Pablo,
What?
you know that's not your food, right?
You watch.
Mamma mia. Spaghetti all for me.
Cooking day! Hey!
Boo.
Okay, here is the moment of truth. Pablo, you're ruining the shot, but it's fine, I guess. Okay, so let's have some buttered noodles. Oh, Pablo! Oh my god. This is actually really good. What? I mean, it's just spaghetti and butter and it literally just tastes like spaghetti and butter. But I like spaghetti and I like butter.
Me too.
Wait,
Give
I
me.
did not expect... I did not expect
I'll get
this
it
to be
myself
so
then.
tasty. Look at this. No, Pablo!
I
Oh
warned
my
you.
god.
Hola.
But
I've been
actually,
left to
this is
this.
so tasty. Also, I can... God damn it! Leave me alone!
No.
Also, I can really taste the difference in like the better quality spaghetti. It definitely, yeah, it tastes a lot better. I do feel like I'm going to have like a heart attack in about 15 minutes, but it's gonna be worth it. Oh wait, I got something else. Wait. I got some vegan Parmesan cheese. Binging with Babish says that you shouldn't put Parmesan cheese on your buttered noodles, but Trisha Paytas does it. So I'm just going to put a little bit of Parmesan on there and see if it's gonna like it better. It makes it even better. It's so good. Okay, well, I think I'm just gonna go now and try to enjoy my buttered noodles because these animals are... I don't know if they're like ruining the video or making it better, but... Okay, I'm gonna go. Thank you all so much for watching this video. 10 out of 10 would recommend making some buttered noodles. I'm going to make them more often, but not too often because I feel like this is extremely unhealthy. But it tastes good. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao, kiss, kiss, bye, bye. Bye. Don't drink the pasta water.
Wait, come back.